In this video, I will show you an overview of how a club app, or you can say a community app, works. Now we have taken an example of sports club here. So let's go into the sports club icon. Now as soon as you open this app, you can see a home screen, which also can be called as a wall of this app. So here you can see there are different posts which has been done from the club side. There are different announcements are there, notices are there, different images of past events are there. So this many things can be posted on the wall, so the users can come to know that what is happening in the club or the community. Now the next section is of event. Let's go into event section. In event section, the club or community can showcase their upcoming events. Like here they have been showcased upcoming events. There is one movie is there, then there is a stage show here. So this type of upcoming events can be shown here. Plus this events can be shared. Like you can see this first option, it can be shared from here. You can message someone, you can send through Bluetooth, or you can use email, WhatsApp, and there are many more ways to share them. Another good option is that you can go for a reminder here. So you can set reminder, so you don't need to remember actually that when this event is. So this is a very good functionality. Let's see the next functionality, that is facilities. So here a club or community can showcase what facilities they are providing. So if it is in club, so there are residential rooms are there, activities, different activities was there following, like billiards is there, gym is there, like body zone, card room is there, different amenities are there, theaters, restaurants, and many such things can be showcased here. So this is that portion. Next portion is of notification. So if any notification or message is done by club or community site, so that would be showcased in this area, which can be easily opened and viewed. Next section is of information. So these are the information, like you can see what is the president's message, or contact us details, committee members list, membership form, etc, etc, can be showcased on this section, so user can easily access them when and when required. Another one, let's go to the home screen first. So now we are on the home screen, and now there are some more features which are being expressed by this plus symbol. If you just click on this plus symbol, so there are different sections, that is my post, achievement, obituary, and you can even see a live event when it is there.